So going back from scientific notation back into normal form. So remember, our power tells us how many places the decimal point has moved. So we need to go from here, and we're going this way 6 places. So here's my decimal point, and we need to move the 6 places. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's where it needs to end up. So wherever we've got a space here, we're going to put zeros in instead. So wherever you had one of these and you had nothing, we need to put the zeros in. So back into normal form is 2890000. 4 zeros at the end there. So a couple of examples from the textbook. So we're on page 67 of the 4+ TG textbook. And we're starting on question 5. So if we look at 5a, we have got 2.3 times 10 to the power 2. So that 2 tells me that my decimal point has to move 2 places. So decimal point needs to move 2 places. So we're going to go 1, 2. That's where it's going to end up. And I have a gap, so I need to put a 0 in there. So 0 put in. So to write that back in normal form, it is 230. Question 5e, we've got 9.102 times 10 to the power of 3. So my decimal point needs to move 3 places. So there's my decimal point. We need to move 3 places. So we're 1, 2, 3. No need to add any zeros this time. So back in normal form, 9,102.